Look how much crap I got on here. It's time to move the cart. So what's on my cart? What am I gonna put away that right now I've been using lately? So dude, this flex, this I use this every day. Every time I do a car, I do that. I use that. What that does is that goes in this section here. I know that's pretty messy. Generally, I have a really clean work environment, but not today, not lately. I've been just getting my butt kicked. Extension, sharp tip. I was using this for the deep dent repairs, the BB dents. This is my fine finishing tip. This is an aluminum tip. This is from Ultra. This extension's from Anson. This tool's from Ultra. This is a custom tool. Extension too as well, so I can expand the tool for more leverage. Quick release handle. You know I have lots of other handles too. Another quick release handle system, the Gorilla Grip. Another Ultra quick release. You can build that handle. One-sided handle, well, it's actually technically two. This is a Dent Craft handle with a custom quick release from Ultra, and their quick release. This has got a ratchet built in it too as well. I'm not gonna go crazy on everything. My paddle, right, that goes in here. Check this. These are some of my tabs, VIP stuff. Bad breath once in a while. A little bit of plugs. Magnifier glass, monocle. This thing is, it saves my butt, man. It saves my butt. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna put it right here. This is for the fine detailing that I do, for the finishing too as well. This is the heat gun temperature reader. That sucker goes somewhere, I tell you. Anson, what can I say? Anson's cordless glue gun. This is the collision glue gun. It is legit. Actually, I'm gonna put that right there. My tap downs, actually I'm gonna put that tap down here and we'll get to all this other stuff here. I'll put that there. He goes to bed there. Lots of my tap downs that I like using for that scenario, for a lot of scenarios. Gotta put that one away, gotta put that away. That doesn't go, well, can't put it here. These tips, I'm gonna have to get my daughter over here. She puts all my tools back for me. She organizes it, whatnot. So I'll just keep that here for her. She's got a little job to do this weekend. Plug. This is a cool tick tip right here. You see this right here? You know how your stuff gets clogged? Look at, I forgot to keep it in there. I don't actually put a cap on it. I just use the paperclip system, and my tech actually came up with this and it works good. So if you want to keep your bottle open all the time, just use a paperclip here and that will keep squirting and it won't get dried up and you won't worry about losing the cap. Well, you might lose your paperclip, but at least you can find a paperclip anywhere in the office. Line board. I have a price guide coming on. I got to replace this one with my price guide one because lots of people come in. If I don't have the room to bring their car in, then I use this and I give them a little estimate outside where they can see that. Worked perfect too. This, my friends, is, well, let me put this away. Hold on, let me go back. We're gonna put an Ultra back. Look at this. Usually, I'm a little scarce here. We've got tools like crazy. I love tools. We're gonna put this here. That one's actually go here. I got some of these on the cart already. This is an extension there. These are different extensions here. This will go back on the cart. Look at this cart. I love this one and my Willey Quick one, which is right over there, right there. Willey Quick, I'm talking the top and the organizers. This isn't any reviews, like I said. I'm just going, you know, tools I'm putting back that I used on one of my last repairs that I do at the shop. It was a nasty hard repair. Look at this tip. You see this? This is plastic. This is from VIP. It goes on here. This tool is the 3/8 Dent Craft tool. It is legit. Fucking really good. I use this a lot. Hardly any flex in here and it fits in most holes where you don't have to drill a bigger hole. 3/8, really good. Now back to the tips. Dent Craft carries their own tips, but they don't make plastic tips. They make the soft tips. They make the sharp tips. They make extensions. In fact, we're gonna put those tips back. So here's what I'm talking about. See these? Well, this is plastic, but you see the extensions right here. In fact, I'm missing an extension. I gotta make sure I get that. Here's the soft tip. Here is a plastic tip from VIP. Here's a metal tip from Dent Craft. Now, I did buy this at Anson, so I'm just gonna put this. Matter of fact, you're looking at, I can't see very good with all my glasses on, but you're looking at the Anson organizer, right? This is their rubber top that they carry. But going back to the tips you can get at Anson or Dent Craft, same with this tool. But the plastic tips are really the game changers for when you're fine finishing, and you get those at VIP Tools. Well, let's see here. So what I do with this one is I put that right in here. He goes to bed. And these tools right here, this is Dent Reaper. Really good tool. I like that tool. I use that a lot. And there's another one. I should put the Dent Craft. I don't know why I'm segregating everybody, but Dent Craft 90 degree. I usually don't like handles on these, but these handles are so good. I would never want to cut it off and leave it. I would always transform. This place, again, this is not the cleanest today, or has been. Put that there. So the glue gun areas, or the glue area, this technically goes here. That goes there. I'm missing something here. That goes like that. Put this a little bit further over. I'm missing something here. I can't remember what it is. But these are generally what I have on this cart here. Oh, another 3/8. I gotta, oh, look at this. See, this is the rubber. This is the R4 version, the baby one. And I gotta look for my extensions. I am missing some extensions. I'll have to double check those extensions. Double check them. Find out where they're at. See, here's another tip this is a plastic tip from VIP. All right, always like to keep my stuff as organized as possible. Like it. And a fan. I got the Snap-on. You get a Milwaukee. You can get a preference depending on how much you want to pay. That doesn't go here. I'm just gonna set that for now. But I do like that. It comes in handy if you don't have a portable fan, even in your shop, because then you don't have to worry about cords and all that crap. That works good. This right here, this is I'm doing glue pulling up here. I just put that here and I put my trash in there, and then I don't have to worry about it. All right, and then I just dump it. Or I can put some tabs here, the tabs here, my trash here, and it's all taken care of like that. Water, I gotta have some water. I'm gonna come back to this one, organize this after off camera, and then what else I do? Oh, what the heck is I got something here I wanted to show you. Where is it? If I find it. It's been a real mess over here, folks. This is what I wanted to show you. And just clean this up a little bit, move all this out of the way, dust it off, and now you got your clean cart. Look at that. This sucker is amazing too. It's like a little turbo, man. Fast. Enough of the fun. There you go. That is some of my cleanup of my cart. Now I gotta clean up the whole rest of this freaking shop a bit. And it's getting hot. This is by, this top right here is, gosh dang it, I just lost the name of it here. Breet, B-R-E-E-T Tools, BreetTools.com. Check it out. You get the little rail systems. It's really highly organized. I like it a lot. Here is the Willey Quick top. Of course, it's got so much crap on it, you can't even tell it's what on here. Maybe we'll do a cleanup on this cart because it needs it. It needs it, but I'm not going to do it now. I don't know, maybe I will. Ooh, look at this. Here's another Ultra. I found my Ultra. This is another Dent Craft. Here I am. I don't know if I should put that over here. I think I should just put that. I just put that right there. Because the way I need to mat the whole thing. This is a Black Mamba tap down. This is basically a plastic VIP tip. I use this as well in a lot of my videos, and I continue to still use it. The Peak tap down, which is the Galaxy tip, freaking great. The Guardian caps go over it. VIP, the thick base one, shoot, man, cannot beat it. I've got, here's the Shocker Blocker G VIP 2. Anyways, and then this technically goes on this handle. This handle comes off here, and this goes magnetic there. And these I have to put away. This is the no touch. Big John comes in here. Tim in here. Tim's not here as much as Big John, but nobody's allowed to touch this drawer because these are specialty stuff, and when I really want to come and use it, it better be here. There's a cap right there. This is also one of my OG handles, paddles. One of my first paddles I've made, EFIT woods. It's very sentimental to me, so it's retired. It means it does not really get used that much, except in a video here and there. So I like to keep it put away. I don't want to use that. I have other paddles that I could use besides that one. I'm not going to go through all that. So there you go. I just put away my cart, cleaned it up. Got to still throw some trash away a little bit here and there. This is a little system there, a little tightening area. Magnatech mat. All right, guys. I gotta go clean up the rest of the shop. Talk to you guys later.